Good morning, everyone. So we've been waiting for the tomatoes, and they've been there the whole time. So I decided not to prune this year. I don't know if you can see those. There they are. Look at that. So they're all under the canopy. And they are everywhere. I'm not sure how well you can see that. I think those are going to be really pretty. I believe those are called orange accordions. Here's more of those orange accordions. And I believe these are the yellow chef's choice. Those are the brandy wines. This is a volunteer plant. That's it for today. Bye, Tinnies.